Meet Rohan, a software engineer who delivers the perfect code and gets applauded in every sprint. But here's a twist. Ask him how that function works or how that code actually is built. And suddenly the silence is louder than the applause. Because it wasn't really his logic, but it was Copilot's, an AI. The AI whispered the syntax, built the structure, and Rohan just entered the code. I work at one of the top 30 companies in the US. But I'm the only developer left in our project. Not because I'm a genius or a coding mock, but because everyone else got replaced by AI. By something that doesn't even drinks coffee, but gets more work done than all of us combined. But here's the dark truth no one is really talking about. It isn't happening only in tech. It is happening everywhere, designing, whether we talk about copywriting, creative writing, graphic designing. All those starter jobs that used to build people's career are getting entirely replaced by the work of AI. Entry-level jobs used to be training ground. Now AI is replacing it with parking lot. I remember last year two juniors joined my team and they had that energy, like I'm gonna do everything. One fine morning, an email dropped on all of our inboxes saying that AI integration completed, manual review no longer required. No announcement, no big goodbyes, they just disappeared. These were people who stayed overnight, helped people debugging, and then slept even at 2 a.m. working for the company. But none of that mattered because they just got replaced by the AI. You know what's crazy? People used to say that hard work wins over everything. But in this era, hard work without visibility is nothing because AI sees output, not the effort. And sometimes the person who is learning the slowest might be the genius after 5 years. We are cutting all those people down before they even bloom. Entry level jobs are usually made of repetitive, well documented work, and that's where AI is best at. Employers are not the villains, really, they are optimizing cost and speed. The problem is structural. No hands on experience means that less people have the opportunity to even enter the job market and move up the ladder. That's why economists and think tanks warned us earlier that it's not the jobs that are becoming tough or rigorous, it's the pipeline that is getting disrupted. Picture this, a new grad, a fresher who entered the job on his first day, is asked to solve a bug. Now, in the old world, he would get to the code, he would learn, he would analyze, he would assess, maybe ask the senior developers over their experience that they have gathered over the years, and then they would produce the solution. But in this era, he would just press a prompt, get the solution, no matter he even gets what the bug was about. Great, bug fixed. But what do they learn? Where's the struggle that actually makes them a developer? And honestly, if AI ever asks for a salary hike, we are finished. Here's the real question. What do we do? Companies must design AI to augment learning, a mandatory pairing between juniors and senior developers, so that AI becomes the third wheel. Not the driver. Universities and boot camps need to teach AI supervision skills. That should be very important. Back to me, I still mentor, I still question my junior developers. I use Copilot and I also question my juniors. Why did you choose this approach? Why did you find it more optimized? These are certain questions that you should also keep in mind. If the future is automated, let it be automated by the people, not at the people. So yeah, maybe I am the only developer left on my project, but I got 3 companions, 3 AIs who don't take leaves, don't argue, and don't steal my lunch. But truly, still sometimes I kind of miss the mess made by humans. By all our flaws, we laugh when we make mistakes. And that's something no AI model can deliver. So if you're watching this, promise me one thing. Don't fear automation, fear stagnation. And if a robot ever replaces you, just say, sure. But can it tell a story like this? You know the answer.